Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video we are doing a clean with me video. So we have lots to get done around the house today. This is basically my morning cleaning routine, so just simple things that I do every day to keep a tidy home. So if you have anything on your to-do list, let's go ahead and get it done together today. Before it starts, call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it self-sabotage my love. So as always, we are starting off in the bedroom. Just wanted to make the bed, wipe some things off, and then I also had some laundry to put up as well. So just some basic cleaning in here, and you'll notice that I have changed around quite a few things as well as added a few things. So a couple of changes, like I said, let's talk about those. So I did add the olive tree to the right of me, and then I also added that accent chair, so you'll notice that the living room is a lot different as well. And then I also added curtains in here, and then I also added a flannel sheet with like a floral print, and it's more of like a fall print. I purchased it from Target. I really think it's cozy and cute, especially for this time of year, so I did add that flannel sheet as well. And then we made, like I said, we made lots of changes in the living room, and then we also have a new entryway table as well, so we'll talk about those a little bit later. I get to panicking, anxiety, can't live here no more. No more. I'll convince myself that I don't want what I really want. I want it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength. So I just feel like my laundry routine has definitely went downhill recently. I don't know, for some reason I find myself washing a load a day. Now I feel like the best routine I had at one point in time was choosing one day to do it, like do all of my loads in one day. So basically starting early in the morning and then finishing at night. However, it ends up being this whole week-long process whenever I throw something in the wash and then move it to the dryer, and then the clothes are sitting in the dryer for several days. Anyways, I feel like I'm struggling with laundry. So if that's a New Year's resolution, I'm going to write that down to definitely come up with some type of strategy in regards to a laundry, because I want to get back on a good routine. I really feel like when I worked like a 9 to 5, it was so much easier to keep up with it, because I knew that the weekend we stayed at home quite a bit, just because we worked that Monday through Friday, so we stayed at home and got it all done during the weekend. But now that every day is a little bit different, for some reason it's so hard for me to stay on top of it. So if you have any type of advice on how you get laundry done to where it makes you feel, not so much anxiety to get it done, definitely let me know down below. I'm needing all the tips in regards to laundry. Trapped in your web, I should have stayed in bed, 'cause you don't know you got me. I've looked from every angle, it's getting hard to handle, but don't you say you're sorry, 'cause I like the way you do it, baby. Let's be honest about it, there's a way around it. I like the way you do it, baby. Let's be honest about it, there's a way around it. I like the way you. No matter how I try, I'll never say goodbye. I know it's not a crime. Oh, gotta let you know, 'cause I can't let you go. No more wasting time. I'm trapped in your web, I should've stayed in bed, 'cause you don't know you got me. So we finally got the sectional in. It took about 6 weeks to get the sectional in. but we absolutely love it. So I'm still in the process of getting everything together. I DIY'd some artwork. I'll show you guys that in a second. Well, honestly, you'll see it whenever I clean the entertainment center, but we're going to place it above the sectional. And I went ahead and DIY'd it. I found it on TikTok on how to do it. Like, I want to do abstract large canvas prints, and every time I would research to see, you know, to purchase someone's artwork, it was like over $1,000 a piece. So there was no way I was going to pay, because I wanted 3 of them, so there was no way I was going to pay over $3,000 for some artwork. So like I said, I searched on TikTok how to make abstract art, and different honestly, so many different videos came up. And like I said, I'll show you guys. You'll see the art. Oh, actually, you'll see it right here to the left. And so I spray painted it white and added a little bit of cream as well, so it'll match the sectional. But I'll definitely show you guys in the next video, because we put it up last night, so it's not in this video, but I'll show you you know, in the next one. But the living room is finally coming together. I love how, you know, I've changed the colors. It just looks a little bit more cozy to me. You know, not as elevated, I guess I should say. But we do want to add a coffee table. And then after the coffee table, I'm pretty much set on this room. So the bedroom is complete along with the living room after the coffee table. And then Eleni's room is finished as well. So honestly, we are smooth sailing after that.
You anymore, spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much.
So now we are in the kitchen, just doing my normal kitchen cleaning routine. So I'm going to clean off all the stuff off of the countertop. Of course, wipe it down really good, start the dishwasher, and then we are going to move on to vacuuming the entire house. So normally I vacuum each room as I finish, but I just wanted to do something a little bit different. So we're going to change it up today.
I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion.
I also want to update you guys. So honestly, once I got monetized, I really just needed a break. It was almost like one of the things, okay, I hit my goal, let me have a break, because I hadn't missed an upload since January, besides like when I would go on vacation. So honestly, I was just a little burnt out, but I want to thank you guys for supporting me. I had a couple of you guys reach out, and I really appreciate that. It honestly motivates me to record content for you guys and definitely push it out, but just wanted to give you guys a little bit more of my schedule. So I am honestly thinking about doing Vlogmas, and I would love to hear your comments below. Would you guys like to see a video every day? So if you're new in regards to Vlogmas, what you do is you post a video every single day up until Christmas. I've heard that it's very hard to get all of those videos out, but I just thought it would be a good challenge and keep me busy, especially as we go into the winter months, because this is where seasonal depression comes in for me. So I definitely want
want to keep busy this winter. So just let me know your comments below if you guys would like, you know, it will be short videos. I would say maybe around 9 to 10 minutes, but it will be a video every day leading up to Christmas. So I would love to hear your comments below. But other than that, if I decide not to do Vlogmas, we're definitely going to probably stick with every Sunday. I'm going to try my best to do maybe every other Wednesday and Sunday. So but yeah, just wanted to catch you guys up to date. Like I said, thank you guys for continuing to support me, and if you are new, definitely consider subscribing. I post content on cleaning, organizing, laundry motivation, decluttering, all the things. I know recently I've put out a lot of cleaning videos, but I do want to get into more of organization and like just getting my life together type content. So that's definitely coming soon. But once again, thank you guys for being here.
We were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always comes to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend, and I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done. Breaking up and then get back together. Oh, you're the trigger to my gun. But like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend, and I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name. Gloria, please don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Gloria, please. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Why do everything that's good in life always come to an end? We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got a look on your face. But the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name. And you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Oh yeah, I would try not, yeah, to cry. Gloria, Gloria, please, when you pronounce my name. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah.
With you there is trouble. It's hard to confide. every time. Sprint you magic in.
I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me. I hope it inspired you to get something done today. And if that's just to simply make your bed, I am so proud of you. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
White, not gray. Gotta stay loose.